All aboard and close the doors. Whistle blows and the engine roars. Spinning wheels beginning to grip. These are the sounds as we start our trip. Rattling rails and cheerful chuffs, battering carriages, huffs and puffs with a whistle, whistle and whoosh on the brakes. These are the sounds that the engines make. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga. These are the sounds that the engines make. Happy hooves as the girls rush by, shoveling coal how the time goes by. Proudly race full steam ahead, screeching brakes when the lights go red. Whistle steam and clanking joints, thundering doors and clattering floats with a whistle and a whoosh on the brakes. These are the sounds that the engines make. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga. These are the sounds that the engines make. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga, chugga chugga. These are the sounds that the engines make. These are the sounds as we start our trip. Big wheels squeal as they start to grip. Off we go with a chuff, chuff, chuff. Rhyming slow with a puff, puff, puff.